Hello, ako po si Pinsoy Basilio, one of the creators of Ignition Marketing Philippines. Gusto ko lang gawin itong video na to for my good friend, Laurent Junicio of PinoyFinancialPlanning.com. This guy, simula nung nakilala ko to, mas nagiging malinaw sa akin yung statement na it's not how much you earn, but how much you save that defines your financial success. Mas naging malinaw sa akin yung statement na yun. Kasi this guy is very passionate about educating people, especially Filipinos, on financial planning. Kasi ang daming mga Pinoy na nahihirapan sa ganung aspeto. Okay, so hindi lang pala yung nagmamatter yung kinikita natin, but it's how much we save. Okay, so sa kanya ko mas naintindihan yung statement na yan. So bro, thank you very much for educating me, and thank you very much for your passion on educating people on financial planning. So, if you are one of those people na nahihirapan din sa finances, Bro Laurent is the go-to guy. Napakabait niya, napakamatulungin, and he never gets tired of helping people. So, basahin niyo yung mga articles niya sa website niya, PinoyFinancialPlanning.com. Ang dami yung matututunan. And you can also connect with this guy. Hindi siya saking sa karunungan. And if you go to this guy, siguradong mag-iiba yung pananaw nyo, especially to the world of financial planning. So bro, Laurent Junicio, thank you very much once again. You're a blessing to me, and may God bless you more, brother, and keep rocking.